Good morning students. Today I will teach you phonetics. What is phonetics? Phonetics is the study of the sound and the received pronunciation. According to phonetics, there are 24 sounds. No, there are not 24 sounds actually. There are the 44 sounds. According to English, there are 26 alphabets. But according to phonetics, there are 44 sounds. In that 44 sounds, there are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Already I have told you there are 24 consonant sounds. In that consonant sounds, I will discuss various part of the consonant sounds. These consonant sounds, this is called plosive, this is called affricate, this is called fricative, this is called nasal, this is called roll, flap, lateral, frictionless consonants and semi-vowel consonants. First of all, we will discuss about the plosives. What is plosives? Plosives is the complete closure of air passage. Pressure is built up and released with the explosion. Sounds like P, B, T, D, K, G, these are called the plosive sounds. When we are using the plosive sounds, we are just closing our lips. This is coming to the second part, that is called the affricate. These sounds, these are very new to you. These affricates are TF and DJ. That is, sound is the, it is looking like TF, but the sound is the jaw sound, and this is DJ sound, that is called jaw sound. Complete closure of the air passage, then organs are separated slowly so that friction is heard. Like jaw, the sounds are coming from the teeth and the lower palate is touching to each other. Coming to the third part, that is called the fricative. What is fricative? Narrow passage between the two organs, friction is produced when the air passes through it. Like, see the sounds like F, V, TH, this sound is the TH, this is D sound, S, Z, this is F sound and this is Z and H sound. This F, V, this is TH, D, S, Z, F, Z and H. These sounds are very clear sounds which are coming from the back part of our mouth. Coming to the sounds, next sound, that is called the nasal sounds. These sounds are complete closure of the air passage, soft palate is lowered and the air escapes through the nose. Sounds are coming M, N, and the students, this sound is very new to you, that is called NG sound. Sound is the ng sound. Can you say me one sound that sounds like NG sounds, ng sound? Ng sound like mingle, jingle, these sounds are ng sound. Coming to the next part of the sound, that is called the roll sound. This number of rapid taps made by the tip of the tongue against the roof of the mouth, and basically this is R. R is very functional sound because sometimes in a sentence R coming from the very first part of the sound, sometimes R sitting is the middle part of the sound, sometimes R is coming to the back part of the sound. Next is the flap. One of the tap of the tip of tongue against the teeth ridge. Here is also R is used here. Coming to the next part, that is called the lateral sound, a closure in the middle at some point in that mouth, but the air escapes through the sides. Sound is the L sound. L sound. The difference between flap and roll, that is R, that is the position of the R. Sometimes R is sitting at the very front part of the sound, that is called the roll sound, and sometimes R is coming at the back part or the middle part of the sound, that is called the flap sound. Okay. Next is the L sound. L is a very subtle kind of sound because sometimes L is using very subtle, is very closely L is used. Next is the frictionless consonant, no closure or friction, but the sound has a consonant functional. Here is also R. See that R is very important. R is used in the roll sound, R is used in the flap sound, R is used as a frictionless consonant also. And the last sound is called the semi-vowel sound. This sound is the, what is that? J, and what is that? W. It is working like the semi-vowel. It is a journey of a glide, a vowel glide with a consonant function. So, it is sometimes working as a function of the vowel sound, sometimes it is used as a function of the consonant sound. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.